Hello, we'll be solving essential mathematics textbook for senior secondary schools. And today we are considering exercise 3B from question 21, to 35. So we'll be considering number 21 first. So let's have 21 as a question. So question 21 is having the open bracket a to power 2 close bracket 3. So the solution is going to be just opening of the bracket using the powers. As simple as that, as how we are going to simplify it. So we are going to have a to power 2 multiplied by 3 is going to be a to power 6 as our final answer. This is the simplest form of the given expression in question 21. So the next question we are considering is question 22. Question 22, we have it to be. What is question 22? Question 22 is open bracket 2 to power 6 close bracket 1 all over 2 in powers. So the solution is going to be, we are opening the bracket using the powers. So we have here 2 to power 6 open bracket. If you open this one, the powers will multiply itself. We have 6 multiplied by 1 all over 2, which is equal to, then 2 will go here 3 times, 2 will go here once. So we are going to have 2 to power 3 multiplied by 1. The next step will be 2 to power 3 as our final answer, or you can simply write 8, because 2 to power 3 is equal to 8. That is solution for question number 22. So let's go to question number 23. Question number 23, we have it here to be. Let's write it out here. We have 23. We have b open bracket b to power 2 all over 3 close bracket to power 12. So if we are opening the bracket using the powers, we have b to power 2 all over 3 multiplied by 12. So 3 into itself will go once. We are trying to reduce the powers into its simplest form so that we can be able to multiply. Then 3 into 12, 4 times. So we have b to power 2 multiplied by 4, which will be equal to b to power 8 as our final answer. Then the next question is question number 3. The next question is question 24. Considering 24, question 24 have it that 24 have open bracket 2 to power n all over 2 to power n close bracket all to the power 3. So the solution will be, you can see this 3, which is the power, is covering the numerator and is covering the denominator too. So if the power is coming, it will come down to the denominator and go to the numerator too. So we are going to have 2 to power n multiplied by 3 all over 2 to power n multiplied by 3. So the next step now will be 2, 3n all over 2 to the power of 3n. The next step will be, since you are dividing 2 to the power of 3n, divide by 2 to the power of 3n. And in the law of indices, if you are dividing numbers in the same base, you subtract their powers. So we have 2 in common base to power 3m minus 3n, where we have it to be, we factor out 2, we write 2 as the base, we factor out 3, since 3 is on the composed side, we bring it out, and we have m minus n, close the bracket, as the common solution. So this is the simplest form of what is here. Thank you all. So the next question we are considering now is question number 31. Since we have solved those other ones, let's consider this question number 31. Under question number 31 here, 31. Question 31, we have minus 5, open bracket, minus 3m to power 2, close bracket, 3. So the solution, if you can look very well, the power 3 here is covering minus 3 and is covering m to power 2. It's not covering this minus 5. So the solution, let us bring the minus 5 down. Solution, we bring minus 5 down. We open the parenthesis, open the bracket, minus 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by m to the power of 2 multiplied by 3, you close. So the next step, you bring down minus 5, open bracket. So this, let me use this place, minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. This is what is here. Minus 3 in 3 places. So minus times minus will give you plus. Plus times minus will still give you minus. And 3 times 3 will give you 9. 9 times 3 will give you 27. So we have minus 27 multiplied by m to power 6, close. So the next step now, we are expanding, opening up the bracket using the minus 5. So we have minus 5 multiplied by minus 27 to n to the power of 6. So minus times minus will give us plus. So we have 5 multiplied by 27 will give you 135. Then n to the power of 6 as your final answer. Thank you for your time. Please, can you share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as well as drop questions and corrections. Thank you all.